Hey, what are you dang chicken birds doing? Get out of the feed can. I left the feed can open. Pigs going in the pigota. Spray has sprung. We got a chicken in the feed can. Oh, there she is. There's the cock. Over here, this lump, you see? This is a male evening. This poor fella has been sitting here for weeks without moving. What you say, Snuffleupagus? He's gonna peck at me. He doesn't want me to disturb him. I know, buddy. Feels mighty warm under there. You think you can manage? He's got some eggs over there. It's very doubtful that he'll manage to hatch any, but he's got 6 or so underneath him. Don't you, buddy? Yeah. Spray has sprung. These damn carpenter bees are everywhere. You see this guy floating right here? I hate these things. I like bumblebees, but these things are very, very bad for my farm. Where'd he go? There's a big opening a gate. Going inside. Yes, lots of activity today. You hear the booming sound? It's that hen right there making the mating call. Give me some eggs. Give me some eggs. Thank you. There's some in there too. Can't really see them. Yeah, somebody broke an egg. What happens? Messy chickens are messy creatures. Sometimes I'll get a nice clean dozen, and sometimes I'll have to deal with a mess. Yeah. There's a nice dozen. These are clean here. Good enough for me. Now somebody sit on the rest of those, will you? Don't be afraid of the chicken. Okay, be afraid. Be afraid. Check your butt. Come here, Minnie. Come here. Come here. I need your help. Did that cock get you? Yeah, it's a big mean cock, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Go get him. What you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? Been fighting all day, haven't you? I hear you out here. I hear you screaming at the other cats. Cherry tree is blossoming. The dark, oh sorry, apple tree. The pear, and the peach over there. And here is one of those emu eggs, or emu if you like, in case you haven't seen my other videos. These are pretty amazing objects. Usually these males will hatch out 8 to 12 or so chicks. But the one sitting out there, it's his first time, and he's going to probably, if he hatches any, it might be 4 to 6, something like that. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. That's what the shell looks like, the thickness of the shell. You can see the membrane still in here. Pretty cool stuff.